What if your refrigerator, the very thing you rely on to keep your food fresh, is secretly causing damage to your health? Shocking, right? And even more shocking, this isn't just about food spoiling. For older adults, this mistake can lead to dangerous health risks that could affect your bones, your digestion, and even your immune system. Stay with me because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover the top 9 foods that you should never put in the refrigerator, and the shocking reasons why keeping them cold could be silently destroying your health. Let's dive in. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to what we eat, how we store our food, and when we eat it. But here's the problem. Many older adults unknowingly store certain foods in the fridge, thinking they're doing the right thing to preserve freshness. The truth is, refrigeration could be silently sabotaging your health. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to what we eat, how we store our food, and when we eat it. But here's the problem. Many older adults unknowingly store certain foods in the fridge, thinking they're doing the right thing to preserve freshness. The truth is, refrigeration could be silently sabotaging your health. Tomatoes. You might think you're helping them last longer by refrigerating them, but cold temperatures cause tomatoes to lose flavor, become mushy, and lose vital nutrients. Worse, for seniors, they can lead to stomach irritation and discomfort. Store your tomatoes on the counter, away from direct sunlight, and they'll stay fresh and flavorful. Potatoes. Storing potatoes in the fridge causes their starches to convert into sugars, which changes their taste and texture. This could trigger blood sugar spikes, something particularly concerning for older adults with diabetes. Instead, store your potatoes in a cool, dark pantry to keep them fresh longer. Garlic. While garlic is a superfood with many health benefits, refrigerating it can cause it to turn rubbery and even sprout. Worse yet, cold storage promotes the growth of harmful bacteria, leading to digestive problems for older adults. Store garlic in a cool, dry place to keep it fresh and potent. Bell peppers. When stored in the fridge, bell peppers lose their crunch and their flavor. The cold temperature also strips away antioxidants that are essential for fighting inflammation and boosting your immune system, critical for older adults. Store bell peppers at room temperature to preserve their nutrients. Bananas. Yes, your favorite banana. Storing bananas in the fridge turns their peel black and spoils their taste. But more importantly, refrigeration changes their sugar content, making them harder to digest for older adults. This can lead to bloating and discomfort. Keep bananas at room temperature and enjoy them fresh. Bananas. Yes, your favorite banana. Storing bananas in the fridge turns their peel black and spoils their taste. But more importantly, refrigeration changes their sugar content, making them harder to digest for older adults. This can lead to bloating and discomfort. Keep bananas at room temperature and enjoy them fresh. Avocados. Storing avocados in the fridge before they're ripe slows down the ripening process and leaves you with hard, unripe fruit. For seniors, this could lead to digestive issues since the body struggles to break down unripened avocados. Allow them to ripen at room temperature before refrigerating them, once they're ready to eat. Bread. We all love bread, but storing it in the fridge causes it to dry out quickly and become stale. For older adults, consuming stale bread can cause stomach discomfort and bloating. Keep bread in a bread box or an airtight container at room temperature to preserve its texture and taste. Cucumbers. Refrigerating cucumbers causes them to lose their crisp texture and turn soft. Additionally, the cold accelerates their spoilage. For seniors, this means potential digestive issues and upset stomachs. Keep cucumbers at room temperature to maintain their freshness and crunch. Onions. Putting onions in the fridge causes them to become soft and moldy. It also encourages bacteria growth, which can irritate your stomach and cause digestive issues. For older adults, this could lead to bloating, discomfort, and nausea. Keep your onions in a dry, cool place away from the fridge to preserve their freshness. So why exactly does refrigeration cause these issues? The cold temperature affects the enzymes in foods, changing their chemical composition and breaking down their nutrients. For older adults, this can lead to digestive issues, nutrient deficiencies, and even joint pain or weakened bones. Now that you know which foods to avoid storing in the fridge, what should you do instead? The key is simple. Store fruits and vegetables at room temperature, away from sunlight. Keep your pantry stocked with fresh, whole foods, and make sure to check expiration dates regularly to avoid spoilage. And don't forget to stay hydrated and incorporate nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and foods high in calcium and vitamin D to support your bones and digestion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest health tips. Remember, how you store your food is just as important as what you eat. Protect your health by making smarter food storage choices today.